Good morning students. Welcome back to biology class. In last class we have taken the cell theory. According to cell theory, cell is the fundamental, structural, functional, reproductive unit. Okay? Structural unit means all organisms are made up of the cells. Functional unit means one cell have all enzymes for its physiological process. Genetic unit means cell have complete genetic information, and reproductive unit means cell can divide and form the new cells. It means omnicella ecella according to Rudolf Virchow or modern cell theory. But there is exception of cell theory. Cell theory cannot explain the structure of virus because virus don't have the capacity of independent existence. For this, virus required a host cell. Host cell means other cells for multiplication. Because properties of virus are acellular or non-living. Because virus don't have cell membrane, metabolic enzymes, for physiological activities, so viruses are known as acellular body or non-living. But virus enter into host cell, they behave like living cells. It means virus is the exception of structural unit of cell. And another example is virions. Virions are RNA particles. Next, RNA particle or disease causing. They have no cellular body, so virions, virus are exception of cell theory. Other exceptions: according to cell theory, cell is a hereditary unit, genetic unit, but red blood corpuscles RBC of human body and sieve elements of plant have no nucleus. It means nucleus are absent in mature RBC and sieve element of phloem. Then both are do not participate in heredity. Okay, because nucleus is the brain of cell and it's have chromosomes and DNA, but due to absence of nucleus in mature RBC and sieve element of phloem of plant body, they cannot act like hereditary unit. Other exceptions: one cell have one nucleus, but in paramecium is a protista have two nucleus. Paramecium is the exception of that point. Cell have one nucleus, it means one nucleus present in each cell. Other WBCs have multinucleated condition. So virus, RBC, paramecium, these are the exception of cell theory. Okay. Now we are going to talk about an overview of cell. Next topic: overview of an cell. Two cell, one is onion pill cell and another one is human chick cell. Have studied under microscope. As you know that onion peel cells which is a typical plant cell and human chick cell is a animal cell. Okay, both cells are studied under the microscope. Then following points are postulated. First point: onion peel cell which is a typical plant cell has distinct boundaries of cell wall. There we make only a simple diagram. As you know that plant cells cannot become circular, and just within it is the plasma membrane, because cell wall is the character of plant cell, and cell wall is the outermost layer and thick layer of plant cell. It provides the strength to plasma membrane and other cell component. Below the cell wall, plasma membrane or cell membrane is situated, but plasma membrane is a thin boundary and cell wall is a thick boundary. Cell wall and plasma membrane both are present in plant cell, and in the center of plant cell, a large cell organelle vacuole is present and nucleus is shifted at side, means nearby to plasma membrane. Inside the plasma membrane, a liquid matrix is found which is known as cytoplasm. Okay, and there is other cell organelles, other cell structures are also found in matrix region, which are known as organelles. Like mitochondria, peroxisomes, oxysomes, these are microbodies. Lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum, these are of two types, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum have ribosomes and SCR have no ribosomes, but ribosomes are also found in the cytoplasm. Okay, now let's see human chick cell. Human chick cell have only plasma membrane because in animals cell wall is absent. Plasma membrane or cell membrane, but nucleus is present in the center. and other membrane bound cell organelles are also found. Ribosome containing endoplasmic reticulum is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum, and without ribosomes is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And other cell organelles like centrioles, ribosomes, mitochondria, Golgi complex, are also present, and matrix is known as cytoplasm. But according to development, cell is of two types. First, prokaryotic, and second, eukaryotic. Pro means primitive, and karyon meaning nucleus. It means those cells which have primitive nucleus are not well developed nucleus, and U means true, and karyon means nucleus. These are also known as prokaryotic nucleus or eukaryotic nucleus. In prokaryotic cells, nucleus is not well developed because it is not membrane bounded, but in eukaryotic cells, nucleus is well developed and membrane bounded, and all cell organelles are also membrane bounded because membrane of cell organelles is made up of plasma membrane. But in prokaryotic cells, only ribosome cell organelle is found, and ribosome is also naked organelle or without membrane. So membrane, without membrane cell organelle, and without membrane nucleus is found in prokaryotic cells. Example: blue-green algae, bacteria, and mycoplasma are considered in the prokaryotic cells, and example of eukaryotic cell is plant cell and animal cell. Because plant cell and animal cell both have true nucleus, it means nucleus is surrounded by membrane, but in bacteria, blue-green algae and mycoplasma, nucleus is without membrane. Okay, it means nucleus is spread in whole cytoplasm in primitive organisms, so they don't have the boundaries. Cytoplasm is the main arena or zone of all cell activities. In both plant and animal cells, because cytoplasm is found in both plant and animal cells, and it is a main zone of all chemical or biochemical or metabolic activities in plant and animal cells. Difference in plant and animal cell. In plant cell, all cell organelles are membrane bounded and chloroplast is also found, but in animal cells chloroplast is absent. In plant cell, centriole cell organelle is absent, but in animal cell centriole cell organelle is present. It helps in cell division. Okay, in plant cell, cell wall is also found above the plasma membrane, but in animal cell cell wall is absent. In plant cell, a large vacuole is present in the center, but in animal cells vacuoles are absent. If they are present, it will be small size. Okay. Common features: all cell organelles are membrane bounded, but exception ribosomes is the membrane-less cell organelles in both plant and animal cells, and it is found in both mitochondria and chloroplast cell organelles or in cytoplasm, because chloroplast and mitochondria are not part of a cell and both have the self ribosomes, and these ribosomes are 70S type.